Welcome to Praxie Best Practices. I'm Soren Kaplan, co-founder of Praxie.com. Operational performance management is a fundamental tool in Six Sigma and lean manufacturing. It's also known as OPM. And the idea here is that you really want to look at three things to make sure that you're operating in and creating a high performance culture. So operational intelligence, that's the first area, which is really focused on what are you measuring? How are you quantifying your performance? So it's really like creating a KPI, a key performance indicators dashboard, so that you've got that intelligence, the operational intelligence, so that you can track how you're doing. The other element is forecasting and what if analysis. So based on how you're doing, you can forecast how you will be doing in the future. But what you can also do is look at a what if analysis or a scenario analysis to say, if we change these things, here's the impact that they might have on those operational metrics. Now, when you do that, what you're able to do is then you can look at process and operational improvements that will move you specifically in the direction of those positive scenarios you want to create. So what you can do is you can create projects then that are focused on achieving those scenarios and those what ifs that you want to create to move the needle and create greater impact in the intelligence and those KPIs that you're measuring. So all of that then comes together in an OPM framework to ensure high performance. For more best practice templates and applications, visit Praxie.com.